Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I hope you are fine too, thank you. Nice to meet you today. Okay, this time in English, for grade, we will study about Unit 6, Wonders of the Sea. In this unit, we will talk about prohibition with can and don't. Membicarakan tentang kalimat larangan menggunakan cannot dan do not. Then, talk about obligation with must and have to. Membahas tentang kewajiban menggunakan kata must dan have to. Next, we will study use will and want to talk about the future. Kita akan belajar penggunaan will dan want untuk berbicara tentang kegiatan di masa depan. Next, let's sing a song, Protect the Seas. Okay. Let's study about obligation with must and have to. Kita akan belajar tentang kewajiban dengan menggunakan kata must dan have to. We use must and have to talk about things that are very important to do. Kita menggunakan kata must dan have to untuk membahas tentang sesuatu yang sangat penting untuk dilakukan. Must is a different way to say have to. Must adalah cara lain untuk mengungkapkan tentang have to. Jadi boleh pakai must, boleh memakai have to. Okay, look at the example. We must protect the ocean. Here, must plus verb 1. Must diikuti verb 1. Must diikuti kata kerja bentuk pertama, yaitu protect, melindungi. Must protect, harus melindungi. The example number 2, we have to protect the ocean. In this sentence, have to plus verb 1. Kita harus melindungi lautan. Have to diikuti verb 1 juga. Di sini have to diikuti verb protect, harus melindungi. Then, we will talk about prohibition with can and don't. Kita akan membahas tentang kalimat larangan menggunakan cannot dan do not. Look at the explanation. We use can and don't to tell about things that are not okay to do. Kita memakai kata cannot dan do not untuk mengatakan sesuatu yang tidak boleh dilakukan. Can, kepanjangan dari cannot. Cannot diikuti oleh verb 1 atau kata kerja bentuk 1. Then, don't, kepanjangan dari do not. Do not diikuti juga oleh verb bentuk pertama atau kata kerja bentuk pertama. Okay, look at the example. Example number 1, you can't throw trash in the ocean. Kamu tidak bisa membuang sampah di laut. The example number 2, we cannot leave garbage in the classroom. Kita tidak bisa membuang sampah di ruang kelas. The example number 3, don't eat that, it's dirty. Jangan memakan itu kotor. Number 4, do not leave trash in the classroom. Jangan meninggalkan sampah di ruang kelas. Okay, next we will talk about use will and want to talk about the future. Kita akan mempelajari pemakaian will dan want untuk membahas kegiatan di masa yang akan datang. Okay, look at the explanation. Will is used to talk about what is going to happen in the future. Will itu biasanya dipakai untuk membicarakan sesuatu yang akan terjadi di masa mendatang. Will followed by verb 1. Will diikuti verb 1. Next, want is used to talk about something that is not going to happen. Want digunakan untuk menjelaskan sesuatu yang tidak akan terjadi. Want plus verb 1. Want itu diikuti oleh verb 1 juga. Want kepanjangan dari will not. Oke, look at the example below. Number 1, sea animals and plants will disappear. Binatang laut dan tanaman-tanaman laut akan hilang atau musnah. Will di sini diikuti verb 1. Will plus disappear, akan hilang atau akan musnah. The example number 2, look at this. I will go to the beach. Saya akan pergi ke pantai. Will plus verb 1. In this sentence, will plus go, akan pergi. Next, the example of sentence that use want. We won't have as much food as we need. Kita tidak akan mempunyai makanan sebanyak yang kita butuhkan. Want or will not in this sentence followed by verb 1. Want plus have. The example number 2, the shop will not open this morning. Toko ini tidak akan buka pagi ini. In this sentence, will not followed by verb 1. Open, will not open. Okay, the next section. Let's sing a song, Protect the Seas. Okay, you can open your Our Word book, page 92. Dibuka buku Our Word-nya halaman 92. Are you ready to sing together with me? Okay, let's sing a song. 1, 2, 3, go. Please, please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the oceans. Please, please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the oceans. We must protect the wonders of the seas to make a better world for you and me. We must stop polluting the ocean blue. An octopus would like that, and so would you. Please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the ocean. Please, please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the ocean. We must protect the wonders of the seas to make a better world for you and me. When we make a mess, we can dump it in the sea. Sharks don't want that, do we? There are layers in the ocean below. There are creatures there that we don't know. They live deep underwater, they don't breathe air, but our world is a part of theirs. Please, please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the oceans. Please, please protect the seas. Put good deeds into motion, help save the oceans. Okay, that's all for today. Keep your spirit while study at home. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.